Good morning, friends. We are left with 5 more minutes in our period, so that's why we are continuing with the class. So, just have a short revision, whatever we have learned up to here. So, let's see what are the requisite elements for the successful implementation of e-commerce. The first is the website, right? So, website is very important. Without website, we cannot develop. So, for the continuance of e-commerce, we require the development, we require the management, we require the maintenance, we require the upgradation. For that, website is a must. In website, web means www, World Wide Web, while site means the place. Website is an address of a form at the World Wide Web, right? It's already been completed. I already said you should write the notes, right? Website is not any physical or a geographical address, but it is an organized form of information provided by the firm. It's made online. कंप्यूटर विद इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. अगर कंप्यूटर में इंटरनेट कनेक्शन नहीं होगा सो वी डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू डू. कुछ भी हो हमारे पास दैट इज नो मीनिंग. So computers of the traders with customer for what purpose? For buying and selling, खरीदना बेचना, for the sale or business of e-commerce. Credit card or debit card. These the traders are not familiar with one another in e-commerce. So the question of financial transaction arises, right? Buyer has a confusion. If I make the payment and the goods are not received, then what I should do? Seller has a confusion, that is, if I sell the goods and if I don't receive the payment, then what I should do? So it's really confusing. So credit card and debit card solve this problem. The payment of the card is done in such a way that we can stop the payment after the order of the payment within the 7 days. This card is very important too in e-commerce. उसके बाद हमने देखा what are the stages in the online transaction. Stages होता है. The first is the pre-buying and selling stage. Second is the what are the condition for the purchasing and the selling. What are the delivery for the goods of payment. And then we have learned registration. चलो एक एक करके देखते हैं. What is pre-buying? Advertisement and information is included in it. Conditions of buying. What are the price fixation? What are other related conditions? Delivery of goods. Information flow is associated with the above stages, while the stages include the exchange of product and money. The process becomes very quick and less expensive through internet. The entire process is explained from the customer point of view. Third is registration. Registration का मतलब क्या होता है? Registration का मतलब कुछ नहीं. We have to fill up a form. Registration by filling a form, right, is must for a customer who want to purchase online. खरीदने के लिए जरूरी है. Registration means to open an online account at the seller site. Registration means to sign in for online transaction. उसके अंदर क्या क्या आ जाता है? Name, address, phone number, etc. A password is provided for online transaction. The account is protected by this password so that other person cannot log in without this account. इसके बाद क्या करते हैं? Place an order. We can select and put the order in our cart, shopping cart, जो online shopping में होता है. And after preparing a list in a shopping cart, an option for payment can be selected thereafter. Payment system, अब वो क्या होता है? Payment can be made in different modes. Payment बहुत सारे तरीके से हम कर सकते हैं. Either by the way of cash on delivery, चेक से कर सकते हैं, नेट बैंकिंग ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड, डिजिटल कैश, वो सब हमने देखा. देन कम्स मोड ऑफ पेमेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज मोड ऑफ पेमेंट? उसमें क्या लिखना है? कैश ऑन डिलीवरी, चेक कैसे होता है, नेट बैंकिंग ट्रांसफर, डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड. एंड लास्ट में हमने पढ़ा डिजिटल कैश. तो एक बार देखते हैं. कैश ऑन डिलीवरी तो बहुत इजी है. In this way of customer has to make payment of money on receiving goods at this address mentioned for delivery. Check online seller, नेट बैंकिंग ट्रांसफर में एक अकाउंट से दूसरे अकाउंट में पैसे ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. क्रेडिट कार्ड, डेबिट कार्ड, राइट, प्लास्टिक मनी जैसा होता है। क्रेडिट कार्ड में बैंक विल मेक द पेमेंट, डेबिट कार्ड में जो क्रेडिट बैलेंस है उसके ऊपर ही हम पेमेंट कर सकते हैं। डिजिटल कैश, राइट, जो डिजिटल कैश एक्चुअली द कैश विच डज नॉट एग्जिट, इट एग्जिट ओनली इन साइबर स्पेस, मैंने बोला बिटकॉइन जैसा, no physical existence, but bank provide the facility, not all banks, some banks provide the facility customer to use this real currency in electronic form. The customer has to pay the same amount of real money as a digital form to cash bank. This bank maintains the form of e-cash and a special software to the customer. Digital cash can be received through the account of the customer. So digital fund can be used for online शॉपिंग। तो यहां तक हमने देखा। सो नेक्स्ट पीरियड में हम यहां से कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग द 5 minutes पीरियड। ओके, थैंक यू।